Okay, this is Tamarack, and you see from the signs, that's I-77 interstate. Takes you all the way to Whitfield area. That's the way I'm heading, that way. Anyway, you come in off the interstate right through here, and this is the truck stop area right here. You got that tiny little fuel island, and that's their little store. And like I was telling Trina, it looks like they're building a new thing right beside it, behind it. And anyway, that place is basically just a big parking lot for the truckers, and it says it holds 114 trucks, so that's what it looks like right there. That's all you got right there. And then it turns around right there. And this is the Tamarack Mall area. You go down these big old steps to get to the parking area. So I'm up here in this Tamarack Mall area. There's people parked, and this is advertised all along the interstate as a big to-do. So I'm gonna go here and check this out. I'm looking for a public restroom and might be able to see what they got. Anyway, from Tamarack truck stop in West Virginia. Have a good day. Have a good day from the Tamarack truck stop in West Virginia. Let's watch this guy back in real quick. Got the road train. Road train backing in. See how tight that is? He's at the curb up front. But he's got it, no worries. Road train. Alright, from Tamarack, Road Dog, peace.